It's very easy to see why the governor has ordered mandatory evacuations for those coastal counties. Nearly 500,000 people are moving inland and away from the strong storm and the dangerous storm. Now, many residents on St. Simon's Island are packing up. They're heading out ahead of Matthew's arrival in Georgia. And Fox 5's Claire Sims joins us live now from St. Simon's Island now. Claire, are there still people there at this hour?
Yes, Anae, we continue to see people stop here by this public beach access to look at the Atlantic Ocean, check out the conditions at this hour. Some of them even pulling out their cell phones to snap photos. But for most, they are heeding the governor's warnings. Packing sandbags and boarding up their businesses. People on St. Simon's Island do what they can to protect their property from the damage Hurricane Matthew will likely bring.
We've never had to experience hurricanes like this, so it's new for us and it's a little scary, but we're just doing whatever we can do to get through this.
Rick Ash just moved here from the West Coast. He taped up the windows on his house to try to keep them from spraying glass into his home if they break.
We got here in 88, 89, we had Hugo heading for us. We evacuated then.
Bill Burgess and his wife have lived on St. Simon's for decades. They started packing 3 days ago and plan to drive west with their cat and family photos in tow.
Well, this one seems like more chances of it that it will hit, and so we're trying to get actually some mementos and things like that. We're not trying to take off furniture, not really, because that's least of our concern.
Burgess hopes to leave the island tonight ahead of the worst of the storm. But just down the street, Ash and his wife plan to hunker down at home.
I don't know, I hope it goes out to sea. I'm hoping it doesn't hit here real hard, but you never know. Just got to do whatever you can do, and if it hits, it hits.
Glynn County Police and other emergency officials continue to kind of come by and patrol the beaches. They tell us that the public beaches are closed at this hour because they believe the conditions are just getting too dangerous. We are live on St. Simon's Island. Claire Sims, Fox 5 News.
Great perspective there. Claire, thanks.